Robinson and I work here at Easy Kleen Pressure Systems. Today, I'm going to show you how to prepare a deer head for a European mount using one of our hot water pressure washers. Using pressure washers for taxidermy is becoming more popular because if done right, it can save you time and money. For this job, we're going to dial down our pressure to 1600 psi so that we don't damage our skull. pressure washer to clean a deer skull saves a lot more time than using the old-fashioned method of either boiling the skull or burying it. I managed to get this deer skull nearly spotless in around 30 minutes, as opposed to the old-fashioned method of boiling, which takes 3 hours, or burying, which can take months. I found the pressure washer very easy to use, and I found the entire process much less time-consuming than the old-fashioned methods. If you plan on attempting this with your own Easy Kleen pressure washer, I suggest keeping your PSI around 1600, possibly a little less, maintaining a safe distance between your skull and your nozzle so that you don't blow any holes through it, and wearing the proper safety equipment of work boots and safety glasses. If you have any questions, comments, or would like to purchase parts, products, or accessories, please call us at Easy Kleen at 1-800-315-5533.